stand up on this foot, okay? Stand on this one for me. Now put your hands down and legs up. Put this foot down right here. Put it down. Nope, beside you. This way, right here. And then arms up. Arms up to the ceiling. Jump up, jump up, jump up. Arms to the sky. There you go.
Yay!
Let's try it again. Arms up. Make a big X. So your body's here and your legs are wide. Put your legs wide. Now put all your weight. Stand on this foot. Look at me. Stand on this foot. Pick this one up. Then we're going to put this one on the ground, okay? Okay. So put your arms have to stay up above your ears. Squeeze your ears. Now you have to look at the floor. Keep your arms above. And you're going to put your hands on the floor, starting with this hand and this leg, okay? Look at the floor. Put your hands down. Kick your legs up. Put this one down first. And stand up. Arms up, arms up, arms up. Yay! High five. One more. Woo!